In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate engaging Instagram captions for your posts. I start by navigating to the Perplexity homepage and clicking directly into the search bar to enter my first request. I am typing a prompt asking for 3 cozy coffee shop captions tailored for lifestyle influencers, ensuring I include aesthetic emojis and 5 trending hashtags. After clicking the arrow to process the request, the AI generates several high-quality options that perfectly capture a relaxed weekend vibe. Next, I want to try something different, so I move down to the follow-up bar to refine my search. I type a new prompt asking for 3 inspiring mountain sunset captions that incorporate short quotes and 10 travel-focused hashtags. Once I submit that, Perplexity quickly delivers a new set of poetic and adventurous lines that are ideal for scenic travel photography. The generated results offer beautiful phrases about nature's grand finale and chasing horizons, along with a broad selection of hashtags to help reach a wider travel audience. This tool makes it incredibly easy to maintain a professional and creative social media presence without spending hours writing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.